We got brand new GMC and a brand new Escalade. One's on 28s, one's on 6s. We got 4Giotto 26-inch GTR brush center chrome whip on the Denali, and we got 28-inch ASANTI brush center chrome whip 864 on the Escalade. This is 28 sitting flush on an Escalade. This is a brand new Escalade. The guy didn't want to do any modifications. We have a little bit of felt touching in the the inside corner on 295 25 28s. Some brands roll a little bit smaller than other brands. This is ASANTI, the tire brand. They roll a little bit rounded edges, so they're a really nice tire to put on a car without getting too much cutting done. So I'm a big fan of ASANTI tires. They don't have any big Pirellis anymore in 28s. They don't have any of those brands anymore in 28s. So it goes down to ASANTI's. This is going to be smooth. This is going to be an amazing ride. We didn't do 275/25. We went 295/25. Give it a little bit more height, a little bit more cushion in the tire. But this is 28s. It's not going to be like a stock 22 with a 40 series tire. This is 28s.